Hello everyone, you are watching Kaushik Tech and Gaming. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here we have the new Realme Buds wireless earphones. So on the front, you will see the picture of the earphones. And on both the sides, you will see the Realme branding. And at the back of the box, you will get some specification and MRP, which is 2000 rupees. It has some features like magnetic control, 11.2 bass boosted driver, 12 hours of playback, flexible necklace, Bluetooth 5.0 and sweat proof. Now let's open the box and see how these earphones are. They are looking amazing. So let's take them out. They are looking pretty amazing. The color combination is quite unique and I personally like it. So on the right side, there are quick buttons about which I will be talking later. On both the side, we have black metallic body, and on this side we have Realme branding and a micro USB port for charging. The earbuds are slightly heavy because of the metallic body. These earbuds also have ear supporters on the earbuds which are pre-installed on the earphones, and these supporters increase the grip, and they are sweat proof so you can easily use them while doing workout. Now under the box, we have another box. In which we get 3 extra ear tips. They are in 3 sizes, small, medium and large. Now the charging cable, which is very small and it's a major disadvantage. You can only hang these earphones on the adapter while charging, and the user guide, जो कि मैं पढ़ता नहीं हूँ और अगर आप लोग पढ़ेंगे तो हमारा क्या काम. Let's keep this aside and talk about the earbuds. These earphones have 11.2 mm bass boosted driver, which will give heavy bass and punchy bass. The heavy bass user will like it. These earphones have magnetic control. At the back of the earbuds, we get the Realme branding. It has metallic body which gives it a premium look, and it has a flexible necklace made up of good quality of plastic, and this feels comfortable in neck. So let's come on the control panel. The plus button is for increasing the volume and the negative button is for decreasing the volume. The middle button plays many functions, like on single click it plays and pauses the music, on double click next song, on triple click previous song, single click answering incoming call, press for 1 second reject and end call, and press for 1 second when not calling activates the voice assistant. The build quality is very good and I would personally recommend these for rough users. Now here are some sample videos how they look. The audio quality of these earphones are good, but at full volume these sound sharp. It has Bluetooth 5.0 and the connectivity range is 10 meters. Its battery capacity is 110 mAh, which gives about 12 hours of playback on 50% of volume. The indicator light will turn red when charging and blue when fully charged. So let's talk about the connectivity. It takes 4 to 5 seconds to connect, which is a normal thing, and it also shows you the battery level. So now let's talk about the gaming experience. While playing PUBG, I get a delay of 0.4 to 0.5 seconds, and I will not recommend this for professional gamers.
Team match, let's go.
That's it for today. Hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Till then, bye bye.